What's up guys? In this video I'm going to teach you how to make some crispy buffalo chicken wings on the Traeger Pro 575, and I'm going to show you one simple trick you can use to make sure you get crispy chicken wings every time. Let's get to it. Alright, here's the trick. Cornstarch. Cornstarch is a super easy way to get crispy wings on the Traeger Pro 575 because it sucks up the moisture on the outer layer of the skin and allows it to crisp up. So what we're going to do is we're just going to add a tablespoon of cornstarch into our seasoning mixture, which we're gonna prepare right now in this baggie. We're gonna dump our seasoning mixture right in this bag, starting with 1 tablespoon of coarse granulated kosher salt, 1 tablespoon of paprika, a teaspoon of coarse ground black pepper, tablespoon of onion powder, and 1 heaping tablespoon of cornstarch. Now we'll put this to the side. We're gonna open up our chicken wings. This is about 3 pounds of pre-cut chicken wings, and we're gonna dry them off with a paper towel just to remove any excess moisture. Moisture is the enemy of crispiness, especially on a pellet grill, because you don't have exposure to direct heat. You don't have a broiler. So we're gonna get these out of here, lay down some paper towel. Now there's no magic to this. We just have to pat them down, remove as much moisture as you can. As soon as your paper towel soaks up all that moisture, then chuck it out. Use a different dry paper towel. Keep on absorbing that moisture. So now all we need to do is put these chicken wings in our prepped bag of seasoning and baking powder. And give it a shake. Just toss it up really good. Make sure everything is completely coated on the inside. All right, and these chicken wings are ready to go onto the Traeger. Preheat your Traeger Pro 575 or whatever model of Traeger you have for 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm using hickory wood pellets because I love the taste of hickory on chicken wings. After you've preheated it to 400, place the chicken wings evenly spaced across the Traeger. Leave them on there for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes or until the temperature comes up to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Then they should be looking good. Now, while we're waiting for those wings to cook, I whipped up a quick buffalo sauce. All it is just a cup of Frank's Red Hot sauce. We've got 1/3 of a stick of butter, a teaspoon of paprika, and a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Super simple, just mix it all up, let that butter melt, and then get ready to douse the wings in that awesome hot sauce. Now back at the Traeger, I flipped these wings at the 20-minute mark just to give them some more even heat and prevent them from sticking so much to the grill grates. And after 45 minutes, these wings are looking good, the skin is nice and crispy, and I am ready to dig into them. Now before I coat these wings in the buffalo sauce, I just want to give you guys a little example of how crispy these wings actually are. Man, they look good. Crispy wings, baby. Oh. So crispy. Oh man, that's good. All right, so now let's douse these in the buffalo sauce. All right, let's get some of these loaded up onto this slotted spoon here. Oh my God, these look good. And now we're just shaking these up. You can use the spoon to flip them over. Try not to mess up the skin too much, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Don't tell my wife about this. This is like a love affair. This is all of my favorite flavors. You got chicken, you got char, you got fat, you got hot sauce, butter, and now it's taste test time. I always feel guilty because this is so delicious, and every time I cook something, I feel bad because you guys can't eat it. But then again, that's why I create these videos, so that you can create something like this and you can actually taste this. So I'm gonna be pairing this with a beer for this video. I've got a Red Racer Dirty Blonde Ale, so I wanted to do something lighter to cut the heat of the chicken wing. So I'm gonna crack this open. We'll leave that there as my safety valve in case this overwhelms me with heat. I don't think it will. All right, let's get a little ranch. See how it tastes. Oh, you're hit with the ranch dressing, which kind of cuts the heat, but then that heat hits the back of your tongue and you get the taste of the butter and the Frank's Red Hot and a little bit of the cayenne. It's kicking it up a notch. I can taste a little bit of the pepper. It's crispy underneath that nice glaze of butter and Frank's Red Hot. This is just so many different layers. It's even a little bit smoky from the Traeger. This is awesome, guys. You gotta try this. All right, now I'm gonna test out this beer, Red Racer Dirty Blonde Ale. Yeah, perfect. It's light, it's refreshing, it cuts the heat from the chicken wings. Awesome pairing. I'd also suggest maybe like a Pilsner or a Golden Ale or even a Budweiser or Bud Light or something. Just something light, not too hoppy, something that just cuts the heat. This is really good. Now, if you guys are looking to up your game on the Traeger, then check out this video right here. It's going to do a test between the Weber kettle, the Pit Boss, and the Traeger, and it's gonna see which one sears better and how they compare. And it's also gonna give you a little tip on how to sear a better steak on the Traeger, even though you can't have exposure to direct flame. So check that video out, and I'll see you in the next video.